Hadian bun benai ke jing penkreak ban penlong ke election ban Jied thamai no ya u ne ke presiden jong dari India haga kat pratarik mentau naitung arajar arpuar la pendap igene ke jing ya Jied ha bar ko gari kumjo haga de ke jelam Meghalaya ru haga jing mi de Thep vote de ki MLA ber ki MP haga ne ke jela na pedeng ki MLA Ngut ki ba Khlem ban Thep vote haga ba don pedeng juki ke ban pedeng ke jing stom ba don pat ke ban de ki ba daw Kini ki baklam poi Thep vote akan kising ki de arun ki MLA naga seng National People's Party bagan top James PK SANGMA namar bule jing de cabar ke jela badu baas nyaw halang dahar boleh okubor dan hapdeng ngemet ke bokoj bakya arungot pat ki baklam poi sing ki election ki de naga seng san partai Trinamool Congress bagan top Marthon SANGMA namar dan hagamet ke baklan badu ba shitlang pale baklam poi tak ada do belakut ke por Thep vote kata ke porsan berjajan miet Haganik election haganik singi banjit thama ya u ne ka presiden bathama jongkari kata banjit ke kertong jaga kenhuan NDA belalam khamat ke seng BJP ka Draupadi Murmu ka badai ka riulum lani ada u kertong jaga kenhuan NDA belalam khamat ke seng Kongres Delhi u Yashwan Sinha lasaki ke jingman Thep berhenti ki MLA kentup nadu menteri rang ba ka jelau CONRAD kongkal sangma usembut menteri rang ba ka jelau ba presiden tunsong rengkat ki di menteri sarkar ulam pangging dorbar tawan gejala uba amet baleng do unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. MUKUL SANGMA rengkat ki wede ki MLA jong keseng Trinamool Congress bad ki MLA jong ki wede ki seng baru MP ke Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Karluki
I support that. I would say I support that totally. She being a tribal and as a legislator myself and a tribal as well. It is a proud and very happy moment for me, and I say this on behalf of all the tribal legislators of us that we are very proud of this, and we thank the Honorable Prime Minister for having chosen Mrs. Murmu to be the presidential candidate this time. And I hope she wins, and yes, again, we are very proud of it. And of course, we have a lot of expectations because she being a tribal and we as tribals have a lot of issues here and there. So we expect a lot, and let's see what happens. Yeah.
But definitely, some of the important issue which you mentioned, ILP or some important thing like to say for the tribal issue, which you see in the mainland India, we have been suppressed from time to time. Especially, people in the mainland, they used to call us, Northeastern state chinky. So this is not nice at all. And I think once the new president elected in the chair, I think she have to take up this matter. And definitely, I think as a state, I think it's very important. As a people, as a representative of the people, we need to raise this kind of issue, which will help our generation. That is very important.
Well, you see, the concerns and the issues have always been there. And a person, if she's elected to the post of the president, obviously with that post and being the highest post in the country, obviously there will be a huge impact on the different issues concerning the tribals, is what all of us expect. And we know that it's going to happen. But obviously, saying that everything will disappear is something that we cannot say, we cannot conclude that. But I'm sure that it will have a huge impact on the entire situation and scenario, not just about the different atrocities, but I think overall, let's look at the positive side of it also. That important development issues and concerns that are there for the tribal, I'm sure that will also be addressed. And I'm sure that there will be more importance on the issues of the tribal people of this country.
TMC is concerned, they have all come together, and it's a secret ballot, you all are aware, and hopefully you will have the outcome as per the election results. We'd like to wish our best wishes to both the candidates, and we'll be having our new president. Our stand has been made abundantly clear. Please don't be misguided by the rhetorics of different political parties, because in Hindi there is a saying, kuch bolta hai, kuch karta hai, So it is precisely this is what you are seeing across the nation. You have seen instances which has drawn our attention, which has drawn the attention of the nation as a whole, and where everybody has expressed their concern pertaining to certain persecutions of people belonging to certain community, persecution and atrocities perpetrated upon some people belonging to some different groups from religious perspective. You're seeing it across the nation. So therefore, this is a concern of the nation as a whole, and this must be addressed. Therefore, the message should be loud and clear. Practice what you preach. But in as far as these whole developments which has unfolded in the preceding years are concerned, you will agree with me that what is being preached is not being practiced.